Have you ever felt like there's more for your life? More purpose? More impact? More provision? What if building wealth wasn't just about money, but about walking in alignment with God's plan? Introducing a powerful kingdom-centered community where believers are coming together to grow their income, their faith, and their influence. This isn't hype. This is unity. This is connection. This is building wealth, the kingdom way. Inside this private war room, you'll discover strategies, systems, and support, all designed to help you prosper while staying grounded in purpose. Because when faith leads, provision follows. Click the link below, step into alignment, and start creating wealth God's way. Inside, you'll discover a system designed to help you grow your income online, a supportive community of like-minded believers, a new way to think about wealth through faith, not fear. Because when you build it God's way, it doesn't just grow, it multiplies with purpose. Step into alignment and see what's possible. Your next level isn't random, it's calling you.